3, 2, 1, go!
Let the fuel fly. Blue with an early advantage. But Red Alliance, those human players are pretty good. Look at that. (21-21). Are you kidding me? Tied. Here we go. We're getting ready to go into the next level. Looks like Red is going to transition over to Blue Alliance here in a few seconds. Blue Alliance has their hub activated. Let's go, Blue Alliance. See what you can do. Human player, money. Here comes a robot. All right, there we go. We got a little barrage there. Little torrential fuel downpour. Scoring a few fuel there. And back over to the Red Alliance side. Their hub is now active. Let's see what they're going to do. I see robot pushing fuel over into the outpost. Here come the human players for the Red Alliance. Shooting, shooting, shooting. Yeah, you see the blinking lights about to switch back over to Blue Alliance. Their hub is now active. Human players scoring. Here comes 10-1-18. Shooting a few. We have 54-27 also shooting a few. Talons lining up again. There we go. Some defense by 21-58 and 58-94. Back over to the Red Alliance. Their hub is now active. 61-80 up close and personal. There you go. Getting a few. Oh, 42-95. Gently nudging that robot out of position. Boom. Still makes it. End game. Both hubs are now active. Blue is really going for it now. A barrage by 10-1-18 and 54-27. Still Talons and EveryBot are scoring a lot. 42-95 is playing defense over here. Red Alliance coming back on them. And time! It looks like Blue Alliance is going to take this one. And Blue Alliance takes this match. 103-74. That means Alliance 5 wins this one, and they move on in the upper bracket to round 2, match 7, while Alliance 4 drops down to the lower bracket to round 2, match 5.